Bye, friends. I hope everyone's doing super dandy today because today we're doing another Vlogmas. That was a pretty high kick. It's 12:27 in the afternoon, so it's, it's getting close to lunchtime, but I just wanted to announce that after making 2 failed prom dresses, I finally attempted it one last time to make another prom dress, and you guys know I'm old, not going to prom, but I just really wanted to make a prom dress in 24 hours once again, and I was successful, and it fits, and it's really cute, and I made a video of me making it in 24 hours, so you guys will see that video this week. Other updates. I did get 2 tattoos, which some of you guys saw on my Instagram because I posted this one. Is a little smiley face right here. It can go like this way, or like that, or like this. I think I posted a picture when it still had that like second skin on it, and I just took it off today because they said wait 5 days to take it off. And oh my goodness, taking that second skin off hurts more than getting a tattoo. And I decided to get 2 that day, the first time, because why not? And I got one more on the back of my arm here that no one really has seen yet. Like, I haven't really seen it because it's been like covered with that Band-Aid thing again. I don't know what they're called. But before I show you, I did ask everyone on Instagram what my next tattoo should be. Just because I wanted to see, maybe people would guess the second tattoo that I already got. People didn't guess it, but people were pretty close because they said you should get Benson. And I didn't get Benson like physically, a picture of him, but I did get something that symbolizes Benson. I got the letter B for Benson on the back of my middle arm. No, the middle of the back of my arm. Although he doesn't really appreciate it, even though I got a tattoo of your name on me, or the initial of your name, and you don't really care. He doesn't care at all. Just watch how satisfying this is when I roll it like this. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look. Sorry, I didn't have that much untangled, but it's from Amazon. I got it on Amazon because I was tired of hand winding it into a ball. It just took way too much time. I feel like that wasn't a very good example of how amazing this ball winder, yarn winder is. So this is what it should do. It should be super fast as long as nothing's tangled. So I'm just gonna quickly wind this ball up. So I have a question for you guys. I did buy this secondhand, so it could just not be like as good a quality, but for everyone that has one, you need to tell me your honest opinion down in the comments. My cheeks are red because me and Benson just ran up a lot of flight of stairs. Okay, be honest. If you guys have a dog, does it peel over its paws and its legs? Because about 50% of the time, Benson takes a whiz and pees up and down his front legs. Is he broken or is that normal? So in last week's vlog, I started this bucket hat and then I finished it over the weekend, or kind of finished it because you can see not 100% finished, but I called it good enough, and just, I'll finish that when I wear it. But so now that this fun project is done, I want to start on a new project, and I kind of feel like knitting this time. I did a crochet, now I want to get back to knitting because I haven't knit really like a project in a little bit, so I want to start a project right now. Even though I have like 10 projects going, I want to start a new one. It's really cute, isn't it? I'm gonna wear it so much this spring and summer. I just don't think it's warm enough for winter right now, so I'm just getting ahead. Just, being extra prepared for when it actually gets warm here. So I sewed 2 pretty big projects this week, and I forgot how slow knitting is. I'm like decently fast at crochet, and obviously sewing's hit or miss how fast you can make things. Obviously you can make a pair of pants a lot faster in sewing than you can make a pair of pants in knitting, but I just forgot how slow this is, or forgot how slow I am. Benson, do you want dinner? I think he does. Oh, there you go. But for my channel next year, I really want to do bigger projects and possibly less videos. Like I'm thinking even maybe once a week, changing it from 2 times a week, just so I can do some like really cool projects, or maybe get patterns out, or just work on more in-depth projects. You guys know what I mean. I want to be able to really focus on things and not try to rush them or overwhelm myself or have longer time to edit the videos, and just like produce better but more limited content. That's, I feel like, my plan, just because I don't know, I'm just like inspired by so many things out there and I want to create so many things, but I just feel like I don't have enough time right now, and I want to be able to focus on that. Also, I changed it to a purple mohair. Also, it's raining outside, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to go look at Christmas lights tonight. I feel like that's gonna be tomorrow night's activity. So every single morning, I wake up craving cereal. Like, I don't remember a day in my life where I didn't wake up hungry. Like, I just wake up, I'm like so excited to eat. Like, sometimes I go to bed and I like dream about like the cereal I'm gonna eat in the morning. And lately I've been eating Cheerios just because I'm trying to eat a better breakfast, because sometimes I just get on this addiction to Lucky Charms. And once I have one bowl of Lucky Charms, I usually have like 2 bowls in the morning, and then I want it for lunch and dinner and snacks. I just want to eat it all day, which obviously isn't that great for you. So I've been trying to keep off the Lucky Charms and only do them as treats every so often. So I've been eating like multi-grain Cheerios. And I gotta say, it's just like, it doesn't hit like Lucky Charms does, you know? Like, it's a little disappointing actually waking up and knowing that I don't have Lucky Charms to eat. Oh no. I was just about to, you know, wind this ball up, but then I just realized I should give you guys a yarn haul, because I did get it a decent amount of yarn, even though I didn't mean to. First yarn, this one. Second yarn, this one. Third, fourth, and fifth yarn, these ones. And then my 6th and 7th yarn, these 2. But that's it for my yarn haul. Look at this hose! Oh my gosh!
Okay, so that's the height of a car, and this is how big their tree is. What?
That'd be so embarrassing if someone walked in.